kulaba
nangu basanga
basi mbotegera ngo oli muntalo n'ozirangula
omanyo kyakye zinakubaabo
naye olunaku lwali twogeddeko ne Kofi na Awilo Longo n'agamba ali willing okukola collaboration naawe ne project naawe owulira okubanga
ekyo kyekisinga katulaba legend bwe batyo bwe tukwasaganya tukola oluyimba kiba kipushinga our music to a different audience ekitegeera kiba kitwala Congo and all over the world kuba ye amanyikiddwa buli wamu as an artist siina busobozi nze nga nze ne tiimu yange otwala music wange se e Congo oba France oba mmanyi ennyo kati bwe nkola n'omuntu nga ye kiba kinyamba kinconnectinga ne audience endala
but in the late 90s ne early 2000s mwali mugamba Congolese music dominating nnyo Uganda
yes
Chemwaga namwe Uganda music akosinga.
Yes, try to agana affect try to agala dominating one Uganda. Try to agala wabere ka balance. It's enough for music wa wali no wabe wali because it's good to have variety. Nobs wali wa music wa nnyo okusinga wafe. Kati at the moment balance we eri katono. So it's great. That we tukola Ghana. It's a perfect balance.
You sharing a stage with Awilo Longo legendary. What does that mean?
It means
what does that mean to the dummies in the first place?
I mean, well, it's definitely levels. Definitely means levels. Definitely means nanyini mukura abadayina a certain caliber of artist je abadayagala. Ostegera na londa munze never artist abalabe mlabyo kabagenda kubera ku show.
Okay, when you posted you're going to be part of the event, the Shibaholics bavudde ne bakwata ati bagamba okola n'abakadde banno generation ya Shiba, the Nina Rose. What's your take up on that?
They have, I think, Bonga Boba in ideas, and I respect that. Then enough between us, for me, old is gold. Gen-Z, Shiba Jada, Bafani Bajabada, all of us are growing. And Tawali Chizibu at all no Mutokula, Miss China Kozibu. So Boba Bangawala, it's a problem, is opinion yabo. I am so lucky to join my talent with the likes of Awilo Mutukuzenga, Ngatula Banga, we Ngatuba admiring, Gatwagala Kubanga Bo. They're the ones who inspired us. Katubera ku stage ye mucho genda so kubona Awilo na in the same space. Kunze it's a lot of power. Kutegera mzenganze baba mpada amanyi mangi kyenfaako kyokka.
Where were the Autospark last night you were video no attacking up Shiba in a verbal way?
Muchogera bubi. I don't want you to say it's attacking. It's not that I'm not attacking anyone. When Banga and Diku show a young Jemba Deko for 4 years, Abobantu Bango, I owe them an explanation. But your mind had these questions in their mind. So we baja kushuba bagala kumanya. So the never neto tura ili abantu bange. Never explaining it to chava wano nze take yange yeno went. Ili abantu bange siri kwogera ne team yes siri kwogera ni no. I'm speaking to the audience anyway so just because maba NBS mwaliwo oba nyumla yaliwo na twala nachiwa the rest of the world nayenze nali njogera n'abantu abaliwo bali bagala kumanya nemba nali sina gwe nvuma but in fact in this whole thing sina gwe nali nvumyeko no for me sichitwala nga kuvuma muntu no nchitwala as acknowledging a fact and trying to advise someone kachiri kuyo chitwala nga this obanga encouragement.
So your last words to the dummies that are not from future on Awilo Longoma's concert Friday?
Well, just come to the show. I mean, come to the show and enjoy music in a different way. Or take it to different styles. Some of us are better in some things, some of us are not. And it's not a problem. Together we don't interact, together we don't advise. Chili okay, I have my opinion, and for me, say talking about it is not a crime. Together. So come and have a good time.
Okay.
In a good show. Yes.
Awilo previous last year, you know, performing in Kenya. Then hawasimba ya slapping on child. Ngogo agenda okola na ito inangi bya
I mean, that's definitely a bad thing. Attention man yentino ba abantu. I mean, he paid for that. Abantu bamuvuma, ne bamuita the security forces ne bamuita ne bongera naye nga ye ngo omuntu yachiika yafuna lesson ye. So chechiri kunze okumupanishinga for what he did. Nze I like him for his music ngenda chikumira. Yes.
Collaborations tezikola Congo Uganda connect kinaba chitia.
Uganda connecting with Congo as a collaboration is a great opportunity yakabinya. Congolese music crossing over from Africa all the way to France because most of the artists are based in France, then ne Congo. So bokola no muntu kwatu bafana babe might get to listen to you. Nga banonya music when basanga nawe. So that's how we connect and then mix up our fans and atumanya enchane bakwita ku show in France bane bakwite Congo.
Okay. this is the last question, but don't take it too personal.
Okay.
Allegations are saying that you are hating on white men. Would you date
Oh my
Awilo
God.
Longomba?
No, I'm not hating on white men. Awilo Longomba is an old man.
Would you date Awilo Longomba?
No, but because of our
No, you
age
wouldn't.
difference. I wouldn't date him, but because of our age difference. You know what I mean?
Just the
I'm
age
way
difference?
younger. Yeah, I think I'm way younger than he is. It will take a lot more energy, you know, for him and I to vibe. You know what I mean? So it's just because of his age. I have nothing against white men.
Just age yeganye.
Age yoka.
Yeganye ebisigadde chemistry science.
Bakiriya bibaawo nga bibaawo. So clearly, we cannot battle on our own. So we're just waiting for a green light. Kastabao, yes, you know, Kastabao green light in a clear, but we can't force it.
Singa batugambye bakusasula dda.
Another tebasobola kunsasula until the other team wekkiriza okitegeera. So team eri wekkiriza nga sente baziteeka ku table nga tuzirya nga tukuba show.
Naye nga goli ready okumukuba.
Me, I'm ever ready. I'm always ready. My team is ready. I'm ready. Been ready since 3 years, you know, until now. So I'm ready. And Charlie is a team yeah, sina buzibu ne Jackie at all. Ninza just team yokugenda team yange about the reunion. Kubanga tebanaba tutuukirira okwogera about the reunion. So that's all I'm waiting for. You know, at the end of the day, bandos are all artists. But from whenever call it chakabi, you know. So I guess it's just Mukama Yabalonze. See, Bob and Gamba Banoneva artists who are performing artists. So you know, Ngatoina to Subara Boka
performing artists.
Yes.
Performing artists.
Performing artists can sing, can dance, you know, can do an energetic performance. Not just dancing, but not just singing, not performing. So, Baba Taga entertainment is a full package. So, never learned that CDBA, you know, never artist.
Oli munyimbi yayimba style zonna. Oli munyimbi yegomba, oli munyimbi yakoka. Awiro bana abantu balina omuziki gwe batukuba n'ogamba. Bana abantu bo bakikola batya. Kiki kyolaba ku performance z'abana abantu kye twetaaga kwongeramu wano. Maybe tubatuukeko tugezeko okulingiza level zaabwe.
Nze ndowooza twatuuse ku level zaabwe. Nze ndowooza kyokka kye tubulamu is just international recognition. But ndowooza twatuuse ku level zaabwe. I mean, if we have Eddie Kenzo ngawangula awards like Nickelodeon, you know, as awards ne BET. So right now I'll invited for collaborations with artists from the US. So kiba kitegeeza just twetaaga ekintu ekikupushing outside Uganda. Naye okuba nti quality n'obwakabenze ndowooza
twabatuukako.
Yes.
Bate eno sokonde kwa tutuuseewa. Omanyi waliwo nasemberanga kintu kikyali side emu. Minzaani bate balance nze. Minzaani esala dine balance.
Sikimanyi. Sobola answering for the other team. Kitegeeza nti kyensobola okwogera yeffe nti ffe tuli ready. Kitegeeza.
Sokonde Sindi kiki kye weesiga ekyo n'otwa n'ogamba nze I'm willing to battle with anyone jangu nga weesiga kino weesiga kimama.
Performance yange okitegeera because I've been working for a long time. Singer abantu bategeera is that with experience, the more time you take, the more experience you get. While accumulating experience, you get better. Kati ba artist abasinga kati babadde emyaka 3-4 mbadde emyaka 10-13. So it's ekyo kintu tusobola kirwanisa tusobola competing nakyo. Nze neesiga emyaka gye mbadde mu industry. Okitegeera bingi byenjize bingi battles nyingi zenzize nwana ezitali ku stage. So neesiga amanyi gange music wange ne performance yange, so I know I can kill it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.